Recently, the Union Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise launched Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises scheme. This scheme was launched in 2000 by the Government of India to make available collateral-free credit to the micro and small enterprise sector. This scheme is available to both existing and the new enterprises. The corpus for the scheme is contributed by the Government of India and Small Industrial Development Bank of India in the ratio of 4:1 respectively. The newly launched revamped version of the scheme will collaborate with National Institute for MSME, Hyderabad for setting up a center of financial inclusion. These centers of financial inclusion are expected to provide financial literacy and credit counseling to MSEs, thus helping them to better utilize the benefits of the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises scheme.